The bling is blinding in a good way. Let's just kick off this review with talking about how cute and stylish this little case is. As soon as I opened this, I was like, I want to travel with this. This is so cute. It's also very lightweight, as you can see, like pretty easy for me to toss up in the air. And we're gonna open it up in a second, but I did just also want to highlight that this would be such a great gift for any of your women friends, for travel, for keeping in the car. This is also a great fit for a glove compartment in your car as well if you want to travel with it that way. Or if you want to take it on a plane, it's going to also be TSA friendly, which is super important for me since I travel a lot. Because of the material, it does smudge easily. So like just something to be mindful of. You can wipe it off if that bothers you. But in general, this is what it looks like. Here's where you're going to open it. You just kind of like press down with your bottom hand, and then with the top, you just pull it open. It has this cute little message here that says, kiss it better. So I mean, the whole vibe of this case is just really, really cute. And then we're gonna go through everything that you have in this little mini travel first aid kit. For starters, you are going to have some antiseptic cleansing wipes. So we have a few of those in here. We have some cotton swabs in here, which I know that I use these all the time. I travel with these all the time, so this is a big, big plus for me. You have sting relief prep pads, alcohol wipes, gauze tape, several different size and shape bandages. For example, you have some butterfly shaped ones, some that are really good for going in those like crevices, like in between your fingers, for example. And then you have the standard shaped ones as well. Gauze swabs, and then last but not least, something that I know all of you ladies can relate to forgetting or not having and needing, safety pins. So, I mean, honestly, this really feels like the perfect travel emergency kit. If you have a couple more small items you want to add in here, maybe like some hair ties or bobby pins or something like that, you can put those in here. But I would say it is pretty full. But like I said, it really comes with everything you need. It really gives you that peace of mind whenever you're traveling. Just in case something happens, you forget something, somebody gets like a scrape or a bump and you want to be able to take care of it yourself, then yeah, this is the perfect little kit for that. And like I said, it's just a bonus that it comes in this cute little case. So I 10 out of 10 recommend taking one of these on all of your trips.